You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this expression, once and for all, correctly. Yes, indeed. And yes, the correct pronunciation really should be as gerrymandering. Yes, it was named after a governor named Elbridge Gerry, not Jerry. Therefore, it should be gerrymandering. Now, it is accepted. All dictionaries now list the pronunciation in English as gerrymandering. So, yes, it is fine to pronounce it as gerrymandering, but it is also correct, perhaps even more correct, to say it as gerrymandering. So if you hear somebody say it's gerrymandering, well, they're not wrong, but gerrymandering is also a correct pronunciation. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.